Ramp Fintech. Honest review. Watch before using. If you're considering Ramp for your business, you'll want to know exactly what it offers, and I've included links to the product in the description for easy access. Ramp is a financial technology platform designed primarily for businesses looking to streamline expense management, automate accounting workflows, and optimize corporate spending. Unlike traditional expense solutions, Ramp combines a corporate card with an intuitive software platform that gives real-time insights into spending, actionable recommendations, and built-in automation for approval workflows, receipt matching, and expense categorization. The platform also includes powerful analytics tools that allow finance teams to track cash flow, identify unnecessary spending, and forecast budgets more accurately. Ramp is particularly suitable for small to medium-sized businesses, startups, and finance teams looking to reduce manual bookkeeping tasks while improving transparency and control over company spending. It also appeals to those who value fast onboarding and minimal setup complexity, as Ramp's interface is clean, user-friendly, and designed for efficiency. One standout aspect is the reward structure, which helps businesses save money automatically by providing cashback on every transaction without complicated point systems. Security is also a top priority. Ramp offers advanced fraud protection, instant card freezing, and detailed transaction monitoring, giving finance managers confidence that company funds are safe. However, Ramp may not be ideal for very large enterprises with highly customized financial workflows, as it's optimized for simplicity and speed rather than deep customization. Overall, Ramp Fintech delivers a smart, modern approach to business finance, helping companies reduce overhead, save time, and gain clarity into their spending habits. If you want to make your business finances more efficient and actionable, Ramp is worth checking out. Make sure to subscribe and put a like on this video to promote it and help others learn useful information. Thanks for watching.